know that news channels are earning a substantial amount of money on YouTube? Look at this channel. It earns between 44.8K and 717.3K monthly. You can also earn that much money from the comfort of your home. Yes, you heard it right. Many of the big news channels you've seen on TV also have websites, and most of them have YouTube channels. With all the fancy tech we have today, you can actually start your own news channel online, even if you're not part of a major network. But here's the best part. I'm going to show you how to do it for free. Yep, no need to spend any money. So let's not waste any time and dive right in. Let's start by finding out what's happening in trending news first. Open your web browser and navigate to the news section. Then switch to any category in the menu. At the top here, scroll through the articles until you find one that interests you. Let's say I pick this story next. Copy the whole article. Open ChatGPT here. I will rewrite the copied article to avoid copyright issues. I will ask to rewrite this news article into a professional way to avoid copyright. Then I will put a colon and paste the article. As you can see, ChatGPT is performing its magic. Once ChatGPT is done, copy the rewritten article and save it in your Google Docs. Now let's find some pictures or videos to go with the article. Since it's about Joe Biden, search for his pictures and save them to your device. Next, head over to CapCut Online, link in the description, and sign up with your Gmail account. Once logged in, click on Create New to initiate a new project. Opt for the 16:9 ratio, suitable for YouTube videos. First, let's add an intro. Click on Elements in the menu on the left. In the search bar, type News Intro and press Enter. Switch to the Stock Videos tab and choose a video you like. Add it to your timeline to avoid copyright issues. Next, let's add a newsroom background. Move the playhead to the end of the intro. Search for Newsroom in the stock video section and add it to your timeline. Duplicate the newsroom by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate or copying and pasting it. Now, let's add an AI presenter. After the intro, find AI characters in the Elements section and click View All. Choose your preferred AI presenter and add it to the timeline above the background. Go back to the news article, copy a part of it, and return to the video editor. Select the AI presenter, click the special icon, and change the frame if you want. Paste the copied text into the narration section. You can choose a different voice and preview the voiceover. Click Apply and wait for the voiceover and lip sync to process. Repeat this process for the remaining segments of the news article. Instead of adding a new character each time, duplicate the existing one and replace the text. Next, add background music and images or videos. Download copyright-free or Creative Commons videos from YouTube. For background music, visit Pixabay, select your desired genre, and download it. Back in the editor, import the music and footage by clicking on the Media tab and selecting Upload. Drag and drop the music below the intro and background. Adjust the volume and add images or videos. Finally, click Export to save the project to your device.
Iran's recent military action targeting Israel has resulted in significant geopolitical ramifications, particularly for President Biden's administration and the delicate balance in the Israel-Gaza conflict. The attack, occurring in the aftermath of the October 7th Hamas assault, signified.
So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will meet you in the next one. Till then, bye.